This video is brought to you by Vantrue Dashcams. Their N4 Pro is one half of the setup you regularly see in my videos, which has excellent quality footage, and even more stunning nighttime footage. Use this code on screen for money off until the 16th of September, and please find links to a selection of their dashcams in the description.
Video protected.
Oh yeah, so that's what people
Who are you flashing though? Which one of us are you letting go?
Oh, where's that going? That minute.
Yeah, see, that's why you don't flash people. I don't know if I can fit past your car. Do you want a camber you've got on it? Yeah. What's he doing? I think you can go that way. Pretty certain they just used the complete wrong side of the road.
Don't fucking go, you fucking... You never heard of an indicator?
Mommy?
Yeah?
Mommy, drive.
I got a driver by.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Later.
Right, we're going to take a left now, alright? We're going to go around that corner.
Oh, yeah, that's going to be a lot harder than it is.
Well, hang on. Right. We start turning now, so we passed our corner. Yeah, no.
Oh, no. Are you kidding?
Right, regain control, Alexei. Drive.
Jesus Christ.
Alexei, explain to me why you would just stop in the middle of the road and block the fucking thing up.
I have no idea.
Correct answer would be it's an Audi driver.
Oh, I couldn't see. Your big head was in the way.
Oh. Bitch.
So there's this junction in Hull.
Hey,
It connects Derringham Street
what are you shrugging at other people for?
to Springbank. It's a seemingly simple, easy to navigate, clearly marked junction.
Do you want to lurch into the intersection?
If you start going out, people are like, hey, what's he doing? And they'll slow down.
You lurch, and then you lurch some more, and whoever doesn't flinch gets to go first.
This is Nightmare Junction.
All because someone was blocking the lane at Nightmare Junction.
Justin Bieber, this is Capital, and that is your lot from me, Scotland.
Turn the wrong fucking way, you moron. Jesus Christ.
Is that photo on that telly?
It's, you mean that?
Yeah.
It's Donald Glover.
Oh. Looked like you from here with...
He's black with an afro! What is she looking at?
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
It doesn't look to be. He's just swung the door open into the car, like.
He didn't swing the door open. I watched him today.
I have a dash cam. It's recorded all this.
You've recorded it all?
Yeah, I have a dash cam.
Very well done.
What?
He's recorded it all on his dash cam.
Oh, that's alright.
I'm not saying there's damage. I'm not saying there's damage. I'm not saying there's damage. Why are you being a dickhead over this?
You were calling him a bell end as soon as he walked away.
Fuck am I meant to... Fuck up. Fuck all of you. Honestly.
Stupid bad, man.
Oh, yeah, I've just seen how much it is to add her as a... Fucking hell.
Fuck. You idiot.
A few moments later.
I think that's him, and he didn't get far, did he?
Does he actually just run a red light in front of a police officer? That's fucking class.
Where are you going? Bye.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
Fucking idiot.
Thank you for that.
Over 100,000 since you got your last total. Vern, I'm going to let that sink in with you because I feel like we're going to...
Shit. What the fuck did you want me to do? Fucking idiot. What did you want me to do? Moron. Nothing you in. What was he doing? What the fuck's that guy's fucking? He's just stopped, bro. The car behind's trying to let him in now.
He apologised.
I wonder if it is that.
Yeah,
Is that a policeman?
No, it's just two bikers. What? Holy crap! Is this... Look behind us.
What is it?
Hundreds and hundreds of motorbikes.
It must be a meeting bridge or something like that.